Hey bride, it is Janice here, owner of Adora Bridal, and you have an appointment with us tomorrow at our brand new home here in the gorgeous Dana Park. So this is where you're gonna come. There's a different banner, but the sign's not here yet. That's okay. Some things are not gonna be perfect, and we know that, and we're gonna power through it, but we're so excited to have you here. The space is gorgeous. I'm not walking you in there because I want you to be surprised as soon as you walk in, but I am gonna tell you that we are gonna do some super fun things because we are so excited to be here. And there's it's not a coincidence that this is also all happening during our birthday month. So Adore is 11 years old this month, in the month of September. So here's some things we're gonna do. Number one, we're just so happy that you're coming to see us and be a part of us. So walking in the door for your appointment, we are going to give you a gift card to one of our favorite places, our favorite neighbor. Can you see it? I don't know. It's right there, Lizard Thicket. So by just coming in for your appointment, expect to get a gift from me, just because I want to say thank you for going on this journey with us and for being our first brides with us in our new home at Dana Park. So come in our doors, show up for your appointment, and you get a gift card to Lizard Thicket. Now, here's the next thing. If you buy your dress, there are some amazing places to eat in Dana Park, from raw sushi to pita jungle, Panera bread. I mean, the list goes on and on. Costa Vida. I mean, so many yummy places. So we are gonna have some gift cards available too. So if you say yes to when you say yes to your dress tomorrow, we're gonna offer you a gift card, so that way you can go enjoy a meal, enjoy a snack, whatever the time may be. Go enjoy a drink, whatever the time may be, and go enjoy that. There's two more things for our very first bride that says yes tomorrow. So our first yes in our new home in Dana Park, girl, you're gonna get $100 off your dress. You're gonna get all of those things plus $100 off your dress. I can't walk inside because there are things that I want to show you, but I can't. I want you to see them tomorrow whenever you come in, because they're so cool. And then there's one more thing. This one is more about our birthday month, okay? So it's Adore's 11-year anniversary birthday, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to do a little golden ticket thing here. So I am personally going to choose 11 of my favorite dresses in the store. You don't get to know what they are. I'm going to choose 11 of my favorite dresses in the store. If any bride that is in here tomorrow happens to buy one of those 11 dresses, you win the elevated prize. So you're gonna get more to Lizard Thicket. You're gonna get upgraded to some of the maybe fancier restaurants that are here in Dana Park. You are gonna get $200 off your dress, and there might be a few other fun things that we throw in there as well. So thank you for scheduling your appointment with us. We cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Welcome to Dana Park and our new home here. Let's find the dress you adore.